Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is faith. Do you believe in yourself? Do not start second guessing yourself. You came too far to stop now. You changed so many lives, and everyone's waiting to see how you're ready to blossom. Everyone's rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. You have so many fans in your community, so you cannot stop now. We're asking you to dig deep. Continue to move forward and stay consistent with the original dream until it blossoms into the beauty that you have it to be, have it to become, because it's going to be beautiful. I need you and the world needs you. I'm confident I will achieve my goals, and I live in the present, and I have faith in the future. I firmly believe in my value in the universe. Therefore, I continue the course. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.